Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials and creating the file you will activate. Open your editor and create index. HTML, type. Doctype HTML, HTML head and body tags so the structure exists. Once done, save with the HTML extension and UTF-8 encoding to avoid character issues. Make sure file permissions allow reading. You do this now so the browser can parse markup correctly. This initial setup is the foundation for activating HTML in any environment. You next open the file in a browser to activate the markup and inspect behavior. Drag index HTML into the browser or use File Open, then press F12 to open DevTools and watch the DOM and console for errors. Once done, link external CSS and JS using correct relative paths and refresh to confirm styles and scripts run. Make sure scripts load after the DOM or use defer. This step executes and verifies the code you created, so interactivity appears as intended. You finish by serving or deploying the page so others can access activated HTML. Start a local server with Python mHTTP server or use an editor live server. This replicates real hosting and avoids file//limits. Once done, validate HTML, fix MIME and cross-origin problems, and deploy to a host or GitHub pages. Make sure to test the live URL on multiple browsers. Troubleshooting tip. If scripts or styles fail, check DevTools Network Panel for 404.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.